For growing lots of tomatoes, you need to have healthy tomato plants, and many times when we sow the tomato seeds, they germinate and dies. Therefore in this video, I am going to show you a beginner's guide to grow tomato plants from seeds. The video is going to be very important, so keep watching. For getting this type of germination rate, you must have to follow the complete video. The most important thing to get higher germination rate from tomato seeds is the right season. When the environment is favorable, the seeds automatically germinates very healthily. You can sow the tomato seeds when the temperature is about 25 to 35 degrees in your area. It is mostly in the starts of winters and in the starts of summers. Tomato plant is a mid-season plant that can't be able to bear extreme cold and extreme hot season. Therefore in the Asian climate, we mostly grow this plant in the middle of the both seasons. Today is about September 1st, and I am going to grow these tomato seeds. The other most important thing to grow tomato seeds faster is quality of seeds. If your seeds are harvested from the tomatoes 1 to 2 years ago, then they don't grow, and if they germinates the result would be like this. So always choose good quality seeds. You can also buy good quality seeds from the description box. If you don't have tomato seeds, you can also get it from the fresh tomato also. But the store-bought tomato seeds are most preferable, because they have a layer of fungicide on them that is very beneficial. You can also choose plastic pot to grow these tomato seeds, but for a beginner it would be difficult, so a clay pot is very good. The clay pot have small aeration pores in its layer, but the plastic pot doesn't have this quality. The water drains very well in clay pot. And in plastic pot the drainage system is not so good. I am choosing this clay pot. For the soil mixture, I have a trick for you that helps you to grow your tomato seeds very fastly. You can use this method to grow other seeds also. After rainy season, most of our soil is wet and moist. This may have a chance of having fungus and insects in it. This thing is very harmful for growing seeds, especially the tomato seeds. If you have this type of soil, spread it in the sun for about 2 days, and make it fully dry. Now you can use this soil mixture to grow seeds. For growing tomato seeds faster, I am going to use 2 different soil mixtures. Let's see which one is better. For the first soil mixture, I have Cocopeat and compost in my soil. And for the other one, I have sandy mixture with these ingredients. For growing these tomato seeds fastly and healthily, try to space them properly. Cover them with a light soil layer. Moist the soil properly, use a gentle spray. Now I am going to place these 2 pots on 2 different points. Let's see what will happen. After about 4 days, the result is amazing. All the tomato seeds have germinated very fastly. The tomato plants that are in the Cocopeat mixture have a good germination rate, and they also looks more healthy. And the tomato seeds that we have grown in the sandy soil also grows very fastly, but after their germination all of them became leggy. I have placed this pot in a shaded area that makes these tomato plants so much leggy. So it is also very important to shift the tomato seedlings in the sunny area immediately after their germination. This thing helps the tomato seeds to produce healthy plants. Bright location is a very beneficial thing to get a higher germination rate. Hope this video helps you to grow your tomato seeds fastly. If you are also a beginner, try this whole video step by step, and all of your tomato seeds definitely germinates. You can ask me any question in the comments below. And if you are also interested in growing different vegetable plants, check out these videos. Subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.